Cats. All right, this is going to be the last video for this unit, okay? So I'm just going to walk you through the last step again, okay? So I know some of you guys are breezing through our slides. This is the one for today. I'll just show it to you real quick. I know it's not filled out yet, but I just really want to touch base on the social studies side. Okay, so you should be watching this video. All right, I know not everyone's been great at watching the videos, but please watch the video because it has some really good instructions. All right, do not turn in any more DBQs. I'm going to say that again throughout this whole thing multiple times. All you're doing to wrap up this unit is you're going and you're going to answer, all right, that DBQ wrap up Google form. Okay, I need everybody to complete that. All right. In our actual unit, when you go there, if you haven't done so already, and I've been emailing back and forth, so please make sure you check your email because I've been emailing some people who haven't filled out the form correctly. I'm going to do something different today. I am actually going to unpublish all of the DBQ information because some people yesterday ignored my instructions for the Google form and they actually went back and filled these out. I am not, and I repeat, I am not grading any more DBQs, guys. Okay. I literally set up this Google form as the last writing piece. Okay. So I know it's said many times, like, don't go complete DBQs, but a lot of people have. Okay. What you guys are going to do is this video will actually take the place of this one. Okay. You guys are going to go to the Google form. You're going to answer the questions. Here is where everybody, or not everybody, excuse me, a couple people have really gotten confused. Okay. Yesterday at around 3 o'clock, I finished grading everything that was in Schoology. Okay. And I updated Infinite Campus. What I want you guys to do is I want you to look in Infinite Campus. If it says missing, okay, you're going to click, I am missing at least one assignment in social studies, and then you are going to answer those questions. If in Infinite Campus it says you have no missing social studies assignments, then you're going to click the I have all social studies assignments turned in. Do not do these based on your own thoughts, okay? Some people were really flustered yesterday because they clicked, I have everything done. And then I had to email them and say, okay, but you don't. So do you want a permanent 0? Okay. I would show you the grade book to explain that further, but I can't. I'm really just trying to, help you guys out. Okay. If you have something missing, okay, all you're going to do is you're going to answer the questions that are after you click this. There's some more questions. You're going to answer those questions, and I am giving back credit for all of the answers that you give, okay? So please, please, please just do the Google form. All of this is going to be gone today, all right? I am not grading any more DBQs, guys, okay? I said that quite a few places here, all right? You do not have to go back and finish them, all right? This is literally the last piece. You're also just getting a grade for this, for filling out the Google form as well, all right? Because I want to make sure that everybody's read through the final parts of it, okay? I know this video sounds a little bit harsher than what I've been before, but that's because I'm really just trying to ease your work, guys. If you do this Google form, it's the last piece of work for this unit that you will have to do. You do not, and I repeat, do not go back and redo or finish the DBQs, all right? We are done. All right, I want to move forward and I want to make sure everybody moves forward on the same page. If you've already filled out the Google form and your grade is completely updated and it's all filled in Infinite Campus because I'm doing them as they roll in, then you are done with this unit, okay? You're going to have just a little bit of a break because your teachers are planning the next project together. So what you guys can do is you can focus on anything else that you have on your daily slides here. All right. It looks like if you're in pre-L, if you want to retake your chapter 15 test, I would definitely do that. There's some science wrap-ups. I know she's having you guys do some last things, and I know ELA and reading are finishing up all of their journal entries and writing pieces. So you guys, if you're done with social studies and you've taken that Google form, you can focus on those things, okay? Also, I do want to remind you guys just real quick that on Silver Days, we have been having assignments in Life Ed, especially with, just so you guys are aware, midterms are next week. All right, and so I really want to help those grades improve. All right, for some of you guys, you're doing great. For others, really, if you get that Google form done, you're going to be surprised at how well or how much your grade improves. Okay, so again, the only item that is left in social studies is to fill out this Google form and fill it out like honestly. So check Infinite Campus. If you have anything missing in Infinite Campus, you're going to click this first option and then you're going to answer the questions. If you have nothing missing in Infinite Campus, you're going to click the second option and then go through that part. Okay. All right, guys. Short video today. Hope you guys have a great day. I know it's cold out and dreary, but keep up the good work. And if you, again, as always, if you have any questions, please email me. All right, I am here for you guys. I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm really just trying to make this, like, wrap this whole thing up and get it over with. All right, bye, guys.